Hi class. So the learning objective that I chose to discuss is to discuss the influence of beginners observing other beginners as they practice a certain skill. So let's talk about, why it can actually help beginners to watch other beginners. And at first, it might sound kind of weird, but there's actually a really good reason as to why it works. So, an example. Let's say you're totally new to, playing tennis. You've got no clue how to swing. No idea where the ball is going to go when you hit it. You're just swinging it. Now, if you're watching some pro, yeah, you're seeing top-notch skills. But it might feel kind of discouraging, like, dang, I'll never get there. But if you're watching another beginner, it's a whole different vibe. You see someone struggling through the same stuff you are. Missing shots, weird swings. It's all relatable. And it's easier to think, all right, if they're figuring it out, so can I. And here's where it gets, even cooler. There's something called error-based learning, which basically means we learn by making mistakes. So, when you're watching another beginner, you're seeing that what works and what doesn't, in real time. You're not just watching the perfect moves, the perfect swings, perfection. You're watching someone struggling through it, someone going through it the same way you are. So you're like, okay, let me do this differently, You're kind of watching a trial and error. So when they mess up, you're like, noted, all right, let me not do that, like I said. And when they get something right, it feels more like a win for you too, because it's like they did it right, I did it right, we both won. Another plus is studies have shown that this kind of observation helps boost confidence. When you see someone else go from totally clueless to like halfway decent, it's extremely motivating. You feel like, okay, I can probably manage that and I can do that for sure. And it's not just about confidence. There's also this other thing called motor resonance. It's like, your brain starts firing up the same pathways just by watching. So even if you're not physically practicing, your brain is kind of, getting like a little preview. So to sum it all up, watching another beginner isn't just entertaining. It's actually kind of a hack, for learning quicker. And it's all about seeing what works, avoiding the same mistakes, and building up your own confidence, one small win at a time. So that's pretty cool. So, yeah, thank you.